Every day, millions of students log online. We hop onto our devices to learn new things, jump into multiplayer games, and connect with people all over the world. This connectivity is an incredible tool. We use it to bounce ideas off each other for homework and build supportive friendships with people who share our exact interests. Most of the time, the group chats and servers we join are exactly what they seem: safe, well-intentioned, and a lot of fun. These healthy online spaces are a natural extension of your daily life, places where you can explore and grow. But just as you wouldn't walk down every dark alleyway in a city, it's important to recognize that the internet has hidden pockets where people do not have your best interests at heart. These are groups that don't just want to hang out. They actively push their members toward behavior that is cruel, dangerous, or unhealthy. You might find these groups on a public gaming server, inside a private messaging app, or in a social media forum. Because these spaces look like any other chat room on the apps you use every day, you need the skills to spot them before you get pulled too deep. These groups never announce that they are toxic. In the beginning, they often feel welcoming, friendly, and even a little bit exclusive. But the atmosphere doesn't stay that way. Over time, the casual conversation starts to shift into a subtle pressure to do things that make you feel uncomfortable. You might notice the group starts picking on people outside the chat, or they might pressure you to join in on bullying someone else. Then there is the demand for privacy. If they insist you keep your screen hidden from your parents or delete your messages so teachers won't see them, they are trying to cut you off from the people who look out for you. This slow, step-by-step change is a deliberate tactic. It's designed to make you feel like you've already committed to the group before you even realize the vibe has become harmful. When these shifts happen, your best defense is your own internal alarm system. That physical feeling of discomfort, like a knot in your stomach, is usually the most accurate indicator that a group has turned toxic. If you see the group promoting dangerous stunts or sharing violent content, that is your signal to trust your gut and pay attention to that alarm. These groups thrive on isolation. They want you to feel like you are drifting away from your real-world friends and family until the group is the only thing you have left. This leads to an emotional trap. You might feel guilty or afraid at the mere thought of leaving, as if you're betraying the only people who get you. If you feel this way, it is not your fault. These feelings are the specific tools toxic communities use to keep you from walking away. The reality is that you are the one at the keyboard. You have the ability to physically disconnect and leave the moment it feels wrong. If you feel unsafe or pressured, just leave. You do not owe an explanation to people who are trying to harm you. Before you go, avoid sharing or forwarding any of the toxic content they've sent you. Instead, take a few quick screenshots to save evidence of what was happening, then hit the block button. By securing that proof and cutting the connection, you've stopped being a target and taken the first step towards securing your own digital safety. Take those screenshots and talk to a trusted adult. Reach out to a parent, a teacher, a counselor, or a school administrator. They will help you navigate the next steps and remind you that a healthy online community will always respect your boundaries and encourage you to make positive choices. Reporting this behavior helps the people around you too. It makes it harder for these groups to target others, creating a more resilient school community for everyone. By recognizing the signs, trusting your gut, and leaning on the adults in your life, you can enjoy the best parts of the internet while staying safely out of the shadows.